Hey everyone, are you worried about memory loss? Do you find yourself forgetting where you put your keys or why you walked into a room? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with memory issues, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But here's the good news. There are simple, natural ways to boost your brain power and protect your memory. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 brain-boosting foods that can help save your memory starting today. Stay tuned to learn how these foods can protect your brain and enhance cognitive function. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make small changes to your diet that can have a big impact on your brain health. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a true powerhouse for brain health: blueberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants improve communication between brain cells, enhance memory, and delay cognitive decline. Think of antioxidants like superheroes fighting off free radicals that damage brain cells. Studies show that consuming blueberries regularly improves learning and memory, especially in older adults. Blueberries are also a great source of vitamin C, essential for brain health. Vitamin C helps protect your brain from oxidative stress, a culprit behind memory loss. Incorporate more blueberries into your diet easily. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or snack on them. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Coming in at number 2, we have a food that's not only delicious but also a memory-saving superstar: walnuts. Walnuts look like little brains for a reason. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, a major brain tissue building block. DHA maintains healthy brain cell membranes, essential for communication. Walnuts also pack antioxidants like vitamin E, protecting brain cells. Studies show regular walnut consumption improves cognitive function and memory. So, next time reach for a handful of walnuts. Your brain will thank you. Swimming into our number 3 spot, we have a food that's practically synonymous with brain health: fatty fish. We're talking about salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, all those delicious and nutritious fish that are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids. Remember DHA, that essential building block of brain tissue we talked about earlier? Well, fatty fish are one of the best sources of it. DHA is crucial for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, and studies have shown that people who consume more omega-3s tend to have sharper memories and better overall cognitive function. But wait, there's more. Fatty fish are also a good source of vitamin D, another nutrient that's essential for brain health. Vitamin D helps protect your brain cells from damage and supports healthy brain function. So, how much fatty fish should you be eating? Aim for at least 2 servings per week to reap the brain-boosting benefits. Whether you grill it, bake it, or add it to salads and sandwiches, there are endless ways to enjoy this delicious and nutritious food. Spicing things up at number 4, we have a golden wonder that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine: turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but when it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your body, including your brain. Curcumin in turmeric helps combat inflammation, protecting your brain cells from damage and reducing your risk of cognitive decline. But that's not all. Curcumin also helps boost levels of BDNF, a growth hormone that's essential for the survival and growth of brain cells. BDNF plays a crucial role in learning and memory, and low levels of BDNF have been linked to Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive disorders. So, how can you incorporate more turmeric into your diet? Add it to curries, soups, stews, or smoothies. You can even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables or eggs for a flavor and brain-boosting boost. Coming in strong at number 5, we have a vegetable that's often overlooked, but packs a powerful punch when it comes to brain health: broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for a healthy brain. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in cognitive function and memory. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of vitamin K tend to perform better on memory tests and have a lower risk of cognitive decline. But wait, there's more. Broccoli is also a good source of choline, a nutrient that's essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in memory, learning, and muscle control. And if that's not enough, broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. So, next time you're planning your meals, make sure to include a generous serving of broccoli. Your brain will thank you for it. Don't underestimate the power of seeds, especially when it comes to brain health. At number 6, we have pumpkin seeds, those tiny but mighty seeds that are packed with nutrients that can boost your brain power. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral that's essential for memory and learning. Zinc plays a crucial role in the formation and function of synapses, the connections between brain cells. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of magnesium, another mineral that's essential for brain health. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, improve sleep quality, and protects your brain from stress. And here's a bonus. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that are essential for mood regulation and sleep. So next time you're carving a pumpkin, don't throw away those seeds. Roast them up with a little salt and pepper for a delicious and nutritious snack that will boost your brain power. Good news, chocolate lovers! At number 7, we have a treat that's not only delicious, but also good for your brain, dark chocolate. But before you reach for that sugary milk chocolate bar, remember that the key here is dark chocolate, with at least 70% cacao content. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, enhance cognitive function, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. But that's not all. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine and theobromine, two stimulants that can improve alertness, focus, and mood. And here's a bonus. Dark chocolate also contains phenylethylamine, a compound that's released in the brain when we fall in love. So indulging in a little dark chocolate can actually boost your mood and make you feel happier. So next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a square or two of dark chocolate. Your brain and your taste buds will thank you for it. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. But when it comes to brain health, reach for oranges instead. At number 8, we have this juicy citrus fruit that's packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that's essential for brain health. Vitamin C helps protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. But that's not all. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, a protein that's essential for the structure and function of blood vessels, including those in your brain. And here's a bonus: oranges are also a good source of folate, a B vitamin that's essential for cell growth and development, including brain cell development. So next time you're looking for a refreshing and nutritious snack, grab an orange. Your brain will thank you for it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket unless that basket is filled with nutritious brain-boosting foods. At number 9, we have eggs, a versatile and affordable source of choline, a nutrient that's essential for brain health. Remember acetylcholine, that neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in memory, learning, and muscle control? Well, choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, meaning your body needs choline to produce acetylcholine. But that's not all. Eggs are also a good source of vitamin B12, another nutrient that's essential for brain health. Vitamin B12 helps maintain the myelin sheath, a fatty layer that surrounds and protects nerve cells, including those in your brain. And here's a bonus. Eggs are also a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, including brain tissue. So whether you like them scrambled, fried, poached, or boiled, make sure to include eggs in your diet for a brain-boosting boost. Last but not least, at number 10, we have a beverage that's not only refreshing but also good for your brain: green tea. This ancient beverage is packed with antioxidants, including EGCG, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including brain-boosting properties. EGCG in green tea helps protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. But that's not all. Green tea also contains caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that has calming effects. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine has been shown to improve cognitive function, enhance alertness, and reduce stress. And here's a bonus. Green tea also contains polyphenols, plant compounds that have been shown to improve memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing beverage, brew yourself a cup of green tea. Your brain will thank you for it. So there you have it, the top 10 brain-boosting foods that can help save your memory and keep your mind sharp. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your brain health and reduce your risk of cognitive decline. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss life-changing health tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in boosting their brain power too. Comment below. Which food will you try first? I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those brains sharp.